So here in the second method, unsa man to siya, after assigning oxidation numbers and balancing, writing the two half reactions and balancing the atoms of each element being oxidized or reduced. So the next step is to multiply the oxidation by the number of atoms that have that oxidation number. So we write again the oxidation number of arsenic here. This is +3 and this is +5. And for bromine here, this is 0 and it's -1. So, arsenic on the left, kaning sa oxidation, there's only 1 here and 1 here. So, we just multiply that by 1. No, that's just 1. And here, for bromine, this is 2, but that's just equal to 0. And here, it's 2. So, may mo siyang -2. So, multiply. Ang sunod nga step is to balance the oxidation number by adding electrons. So, remember lang nga ang electrons, i-add gid na siya sa more positive nga side. So, diri sa oxidation half reaction, kani siya kay +3, kani siya kay +5. So, ang right side ang more positive. Unya, ang difference nila kay 2. So, we add 2 electrons on the left. For the reduction half reaction, so we have 0 on the left and we have -2 on the right. So, mas positive ang nasa left and the difference is 2. So, we add 2 electrons also on the left. Okay? Next step, after adding electrons to balance the oxidation number, is that we balance the charge by, diba, kung acidic, hydrogen, pero kung basic, kay OH. So, because this is a basic na solution, in the problem, it says it's a basic solution. So, we add OH negative. Now, remember that OH is also negative, so we add it still on the more positive nga side. So, ang electron, gi-add siya based on the oxidation number, but ang OH, i-add siya based on the charge. So, pila may total charge sa left side? It's -3. Pila may total nga charge sa right side? It's -5. So, asa may mas positive nila? -3 or -5? It is -3. So, pila may difference nila? It's 2. So, muna, muad ta og duha ka OH on the left side. So, +2 OH AQ. Okay? So, there is a reduction. So, this is a total of -2 on the left and a total of -2 on the right. So, we don't need to add OH in this half reaction. Okay? Sunod og add sa OH kay we balance hydrogen by adding water. Balance hydrogen by adding water, and just remember that sa water na ay duha ka hydrogen nga atoms. Okay? So, na ay duha na daan, so we just add 1 water molecule on the right side, on the opposite side. So, if you write this again, for the oxidation, that's ASO3, 3 negative AQ, plus duha ka OH, negative AQ, producing ASO4, 3 negative AQ, plus H2O, plus duha ka electron. And for the reduction, so there's no need to add any of those hydrogen or OH because there's no kuan. So Br2 AQ plus duha ka electron, producing 2Br negative AQ. So let's try to check. Isa ka arsenic, pila ka hydrogen. There's 2. There's also 2 on the right. There's 5 ka hydrogen, oxygen on the right. And then there's 3, 4, 5 also ka oxygen on the left. And the total charge here is -5. And we have a total charge here of -5 on the right side. And we already know that for reduction, it's already balanced. And for this example, there's no need to multiply or divide any of the two half reactions by a certain number because the number of electrons are already equal. So we can just add the 2 directly and then cancel out the number of electrons. And our final answer would be ASO3, 3 negative AQ plus Br2 AQ plus 2OH AQ, ASO4, 3 negative AQ plus 2Br negative AQ plus H2O liquid. So, and let's try to check if our answer is equal or the same with the previous nga solution. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So this is our answer for the balanced redox equation using the second nga method.